Do you want to run faster without feeling like you're working twice as hard? Can you imagine leaving your friends behind in the next race? What if I told you there are tricks that can transform your performance? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 5 secrets that will change the way you run forever. These tips are not only effective, but also super easy to apply. If you want to take your running to the next level, keep watching because this will surprise you. Are you ready to discover the tricks that experts don't want you to know? Let's go. Did you know that the way you run can make a huge difference in your speed? Running technique is crucial to improving your performance and avoiding injuries. Here's how you can optimize it with a few simple adjustments. First, pay attention to your posture. Keep your body straight and slightly leaning forward. Imagine there's a rope pulling your chest forward, keeping you upright but relaxed. Avoid slouching, as it can limit your lung capacity and make you tire out faster. Next, focus your eyes on a fixed point on the horizon. This helps keep your head in a neutral position and avoids unnecessary tension in your neck and shoulders. Remember, proper posture starts with the head. Now let's talk about your arms. Your arms act like pendulums that help propel your body forward. Keep them bent at a 90-degree angle. Avoid crossing them in front of your body and focus on moving them forward and back. This movement should be smooth and coordinated with your legs. Stride length is another crucial aspect. Don't try to take overly long steps. Instead, opt for shorter, quicker strides. This allows you to maintain a high cadence, which in turn improves your speed and reduces the risk of injuries. Think about how sprinters move their legs quickly rather than overextending. Pay attention to how your feet land. Try to land on the midfoot rather than the heel. Heel striking can create a braking effect and increase the impact on your joints. Landing on the midfoot allows for a smoother, more efficient transition to the next step. Finally, don't forget to breathe properly. Breathing technique can directly influence your performance. Try to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth using diaphragmatic breathing, which means breathing deeply from the abdomen. This helps maintain a constant flow of oxygen and prevents early fatigue. Implementing these adjustments in your running technique may seem challenging at first, but with practice and patience, you'll see significant improvements in your speed and endurance. Remember, technique is the foundation of good performance. Want a quick and effective way to boost your speed? Interval training is your best ally. This method not only makes you faster, but also helps increase your stamina and burn more calories in less time. Interval training involves alternating short periods of intense effort with recovery periods. For example, run at your maximum speed for 30 seconds and then jog or walk for 1 minute. Repeat this cycle 5 to 10 times. The key here is to give it your all during the high-intensity intervals and use the recovery periods to catch your breath. Why are they so effective? During high-intensity intervals, your body works at maximum capacity, which improves your cardiovascular capacity and strengthens your muscles. Plus, after these workouts, your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate, even when you've finished running. Here's a simple routine to get started. Warm up for 5 to 10 minutes by running at a gentle pace. Run at your maximum speed for 30 seconds. Jog or walk for 1 minute to recover. Repeat these intervals 5 to 10 times. Cool down for 5 to 10 minutes by running at a gentle pace. Try incorporating these interval workouts into your routine twice a week. Not only will you notice an improvement in your speed, but you'll also feel your recovery time getting faster over time. Get ready to leave the competition behind. Food is your fuel, and what you eat can make a big difference in your running performance. Optimizing your diet and considering some key supplements can give you the boost you need to run faster and with more energy. First, let's talk about carbohydrates. They are the primary energy source for runners. Before a race or intense training, make sure to consume complex carbs like pasta, brown rice, or oats. These foods will provide slow-releasing energy, keeping you active for longer. Proteins are essential for recovery and muscle repair. Include lean protein sources in your diet such as chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes. After a workout, a protein-rich meal will help rebuild and strengthen your muscles. Don't forget healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are excellent choices. These fats not only provide sustained energy, but also support joint health. Now, about supplements. Caffeine can enhance your performance by reducing the perception of effort and increasing concentration. A black coffee or caffeine supplement before running can give you that extra boost. Beta-alanine is another supplement worth considering. It helps reduce muscle fatigue and improve your performance in high-intensity efforts. Taking this supplement regularly can help you maintain a higher speed for longer. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of hydration. Drink enough water throughout the day and consider sports drinks that replenish electrolytes if you're running long distances. Staying well hydrated is key to avoiding cramps and maintaining your performance. Following these nutrition and supplementation tips, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to run faster and more efficiently. Did you know that the right shoes can be the secret to improving your speed and avoiding injuries? Choosing the right running shoes is crucial for any runner looking to enhance their performance. First, identify your foot type. There are three main types: neutral, pronated, and supinated. Neutral is when the foot lands evenly. Pronated is when the foot tends to roll inward, and supinated is when the foot rolls outward. You can find out your foot type at a specialized store or through a gait analysis. Once you know your foot type, choose shoes that match it. Leading brands in running shoes like Nike, Adidas, and Asics have models designed specifically for each foot type. Look for shoes that offer good support and cushioning, but are also lightweight to avoid adding unnecessary weight. Try different models and brands until you find the shoes that best fit your feet. Don't settle for the first pair you find. Take your time to try various styles and walk or run in them if possible. Also, replace your shoes regularly. Most experts recommend changing your shoes after running between 300 and 500 miles. Worn-out shoes lose their cushioning and support, which can lead to injuries. Remember, investing in a good pair of shoes will not only make you run faster but also protect your feet and joints, allowing you to enjoy running without pain. Rest is as important as training. Without proper recovery, you won't improve your performance or prevent injuries. Here are some tips to optimize your recovery and rest. First, get enough sleep. During sleep, your body repairs and recovers from physical exertion. Aim to sleep between 7 and 9 hours each night. Good sleep will enhance your performance, mood, and overall health. Incorporate stretching into your daily routine. After each workout, spend at least 10 minutes stretching the main muscle groups. This will help maintain your flexibility and prevent muscle stiffness. Focus on leg muscles like hamstrings, quadriceps, and calves. Consider including active recovery techniques like light jogging or yoga. These activities help increase blood flow to the muscles and speed up recovery without adding too much stress to your body. Massages can also be very beneficial. A professional sports massage can help reduce muscle tension, improve circulation, and speed up recovery. If you can't access a professional massage, use a foam roller to massage your muscles at home. Finally, pay attention to post-workout nutrition. Eat a meal rich in proteins and carbs within 2 hours of your run. This will help replenish energy stores and repair muscles. Integrate these recovery and rest habits into your routine and see how your performance and overall well-being improve. Proper recovery will not only allow you to run faster, but also help you enjoy the process without pain or discomfort. And there you have it. 5 incredible tips to improve your running speed. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Leave your comments and tell us which of these tips you're going to try first. See you next time, and keep running towards your goals.